How to contact FoxtelGo. Go. Hi everyone, in this following video I'm going to show you the ways to contact FoxtelGo. Go. In order to do that, procedure, first of all, open up a browser. On the web address bar, go ahead and type in foxtel.eu. I'll make sure to drop the link on my description box below as well. While you're on the official web page, this is how it's going to look like. So here you can go ahead and see that the interface is going to look something like this. So on this page you can see there is this live chat feature. Go ahead and select that. If you wish to contact the support team, then you can also use the live chat feature in order to contact them. Basically an automated messages or responses will be sent to you according to the question that you've asked, and that's how you can contact the support team. However, if this is not a convenient way, we can also go ahead and open up a browser, type in Foxtel customer support, and here it's going to provide you with list of contact info and all that. So you can go to the link that says contact us, and directly it's going to take you to the help center page where you can go ahead and list out your problems or issues that you're facing. Contact FoxtelGo. So that's basically how you can contact support team. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.